Precise throwing. Enter the fire and rescue module. Select the precise throwing. Select the model of the drone you want to fly, and then enter the scene. The small map in the upper left corner of the interface can assist in viewing the angle and position of the drone. The upper middle part of the interface shows the drone altitude, speed and other information. The upper right corner shows flight time, hover time, and operation prompts. Follow the steps on the right side of the screen to turn on the power of the remote control. Press F to switch the viewing angle to view the remote control. Double press and hold the power button to turn on the remote control. Press F to switch view to the takeoff area. Mouse click on the rope connected to the water bottle, and drag it to the drone fuselage. Switch the viewing angle to the drone. Double press and hold the power button to turn on the drone power. Click the folder icon in the lower left corner. Check and confirm the status of the drone. Activate the drone by pulling both joysticks to the inner lower position, and fly towards 3 buckets. Aim the water bottle at the bucket, and press D, release the water bottle. After the throwing is complete, return the drone to landing point. Switch the viewing angle of the drone, double press and hold power button to turn off the power of the drone. Click on the light lanyard with the mouse, drag and mount it on the drone fuselage. Switch the viewing angle, turn on the drone power. Take off the drone and fly to the top of the dummy. Position the drone to mount the lifeboat on the dummy's head, and press the T button to release. After the delivery is complete, fly back to the takeoff point. After landing, turn off the drone power supply, and the remote control power supply respectively. Enter the score settlement interface to check the flight time. During the flight, click on the settings in the lower right corner to change the training ground, switch the controlling hand style, set the weather, and arrange other parameters.